Welcome to Difference Card. Today we will be going over our demo of Difference Card's smart mobile app, where we will be going over our mobile features and functionalities of the app. My name is Erica. I'm from Member Services Department.
Hi, and my name is Stephanie, and I will be playing the role of a member today. Thank you all for being here. So, my first question for you, Erica, is I would like to sign up for a direct deposit, as I know that's the quickest way for me to receive my money. How would I go about doing that?
No problem, Steph. So what you would do is you're going to go to the gray person in the right top hand corner, and there you're going to see personal information. I want you to click on the arrow on personal information, and then you're going to hit edit that's right across from your name.
Okay.
There in the top section, you're going to see reimbursement method. Right now it's defaulted as check. You're going to click on that. And now you're able to change to direct deposit. So now you're going to select direct deposit, and you're going to be able to put in your banking information, your account number, and routing number. For the sake of this demo, we will not be able to put in that information, but when you put in your personal information, you would then get a notification letting you know within 24 to 48 hours, we're going to be sending you increments less than a dollar in cents to your bank for you to then record back to our mobile app. This deposit that you're going to be seeing that's coming from your bank is going to come from a company called MBI, and that's M like in Mary, B like in boy, I like in igloo. Once you have received those cents, again, it takes about 24 to 48 hours, depending on your bank, for it to show up. On this screen here, below it says reimbursement method. Right now it says check, but it will change to direct deposit. And between that and the HSA contribution is going to be another section there that's going to say reimbursement status, and there you're going to have a validation button there. Once you have received your deposits from your bank, you're going to come back to this screen and you're going to be able to select validate. You do not have to click on edit as above. You're going to select validate. And there's going to be a pop-up screen that's going to ask you for amount one, amount two, and amount three. Please keep in mind amount one and amount two is the deposits that you've seen that came into your bank. For example, if you received 10 cents and 15 cents, 10 cents will go to amount one, 15 cents will be placed in amount two. Amount three is going to be the total of amount one and two. So in amount three should be saying 25 cents. And then once you have selected save, that and it's, the amount is accurate, now the reimbursement status would turn to active, and now you're able to receive direct deposit.
Awesome. Thank you, Erica. I will be sure to look out for those deposits on my banking account and come back here to validate that information. Awesome. All right, Erica. My next question for you is that I recently just lost my difference card, and I would like to order a new one and ensure that the one I lost is no longer active. How would I go about doing that?
No problem. So on this screen, you're going to see cards. Please select the cards for me.
Okay.
Here, you're going to see your card, your current card that you have, and it's going to have the last four digits of your card. I want you to click on that card. Here, you're able to select that your card has been lost or stolen. Once you have select that, it automatically issues out a new card for you.
Awesome. Okay. Very good. Thank you for that.
No problem.
My next question for you is I know I have all of these different accounts with the difference card, and I'm curious to check my account balances. And I also would like to know the last day that I'm able to submit claims on one of my medical plans that I have. How do I check that?
Yes. So on the bottom, we have some tab sets there. If you select accounts with the money sign that's
Mm.
above it, there you have the list of all your current plans that are active right now. Right? So let's just go. Asked how, like the deadline, right? So you can see your
Mhm.
balances. It tells you how much you have spent um, on how much is and you're elected, right? But if you click on one of those claims, and this applies to each claim, if you click on one claim and you click on details,
Mm-hmm.
if you scroll down, you'll be able to see your plan dates. So in this situation here, this plan was from November 1st to October 31st of 2022. So this plan just ended, right? You have until, as indicates you have until July 31st of 2023 to submit any claims. So it gives you a chart and letting you know how far before that deadline that you have to submit.
Okay. Awesome. So I'll make sure I get all my claims in before the 31st of January. Thank you.
Yes.
My next question that I have for you is I recently just got a notification that I needed to submit a receipt for a certain transaction. How do I go about submitting that receipt on the app?
Of course. So now you're going to select the account activity tab that's on the bottom of that mobile app.
Mm-hmm.
Here you'll be able to see all your transactions, whether it's claims or card swipe claims. I'm sorry, yeah, claims or card swipes that has been utilized with your card. But to answer your question in regards to the add receipt, there is a tab that's above when it says I want to. Then it has filters. If you go, it's the fourth one on the top. If you select add receipt, it shows you all the receipts that are all the actions that needs receipts. Right? And if you click on that particular transaction, there you'll be able to take a picture, or if you have the receipt already in your phone, you can be able to choose from the gallery.
Okay, awesome. I'll definitely go about taking a picture of that receipt. Very easy. Thank you. The next question that I have for you is I recently just received an explanation of benefits in the mail for a medical service I had back in October. I would like to submit that for reimbursement, and how do I go about doing that?
Yes. So now you're going to select the Add Expense tab that's on the bottom,
Mm-hmm.
and you're going to select Start Here.
Okay.
And so you can submit a claim from your HSA, or the other is the account that we are actually will process a claim from your
Okay.
your employer. And if you select the type, mhm, you'll be able to, if it's co-pays, a medical deductible, any dental care, FSA, whatever the service is, you'll select the best service type that fits your service. And then you select next.
Okay.
You'll be able to select who it's for. You have the option to pay your provider or pay yourself.
Oops. I'm gonna pay myself.
hmm
And the service date was in October, and it was for $100.
Now on this screen, you'll be able to confirm everything that you have is accurate. If you need to make any changes, you'll be able to click the edit button. There is an add documentation button that's right there. There you'll be able to upload your itemized bill or your explanation of benefits from here. Again, if it's on your phone, or if you do have the option to take a live photo just by selecting take photo. Once you have done that, you would then click next, and then you have to make sure you select the check button to certify that everything is accurate and then submit it to us.
Okay, awesome. That sounds easy. Thank you so much. Um, Now, I know that I do have an HSA, but I don't have any money in that HSA right now. Say that I paid for an expense out of pocket, but I want to get
hmm
reimbursed for that qualified medical expense using my HSA. How would that experience happen?
It's very similar to what you just encountered just now. So in this case, you would select your HSA account.
Got it. Okay.
You're going to indicate if you want to pay yourself or pay the provider.
Pay myself. I'll say
All
mail me
right.
since I don't have direct deposit yet. And then I'll put it for tomorrow. And that was for a $25 expense. Okay.
Okay. So right now you don't have any funds available, but you can still proceed, right? So you can still proceed, right? And then in this case, you certify, make sure everything is correct, and you would submit.
All right. That sounds easy. Thank you for showing me that. I look forward to doing that once I have some funds in that account. All right. The next question that I have for you, Erica, is I am trying to save a little bit more money on the prescriptions that I pay for, and I was wondering if there was any way that I could get, if there's a discount, available discounts that I can use from this app.
Yes, of course. And so what you would do is you can go to that three lines that's on the top. You're gonna go to, we have a Good RX, Goodbye RX card
Mm-hmm.
option there. So you select that, and this is great because it gives you um, the best price for the prescriptions in your area, right? It's like a discount card.
Mm. I think the discounts are so big that it's taken a second to load here. Now, when I use this Goodbye RX card, I can just present this when it loads to the pharmacist, and they'll be able to process the discounts appropriately.
Yes, so this little card right here, so you have your BIN number and the member ID, and you'll present that to the pharmacy that you choose with when you want to pick up your prescription. They'll put that information in, and that's how you'll get the discount for that particular drug.
Awesome.
All right. And so you will this coincides with your medicine cabinet as well. So if you select medicine cabinet,
Hmm.
and let's just say we want ibuprofen, right? Normally
Hmm.
you're used to paying $50. So now let's look and see if we could find something better for you. So you select GoodRx. We're gonna see if you can save some money, and you want to put your zip code that you would like that's close to your area. And again, remember you so used to spending $50. Now we see that CVS has a generic version for $13, and we have Town Center that has generic for $8.65, right? So you can now, and it gives you the location and where that pharmacy is, as well as the phone number, and you could just be able to go there, put in your prescription, give them your Good RX ID, member ID information, and you'll be able to get that particular prescription for just $8.
Awesome. Very exciting. Looking forward to saving some money on my
Mhm.
prescription. Awesome. Thanks, Erica. Then the last question that I have for you is that, I recently just moved to a new area, and I was wondering if there is any recommendations for finding a new primary care in my area, and how would I go about doing that?
Of course. So the good thing about my Difference Card Smart Mobile app is that we do also present to you ways to find top care in your area. So what you would do is you'll see a little tab that's on the bottom of our Difference Card Mobile app that says Find Care.
Hmm.
Select that for me, please.
Okay.
And here, all you have to do is add your insurance information first, which you will get it from you'll get all your information from your medical insurance card, right? So in your case, you have Aetna Choice, POS. And here you will see you could be able to find care for primary, a specialist, or urgent care. But in this case, you said you wanted to do primary, right? So let's just select
Mhm.
primary care provider. You're going to put in your zip code, which is already defaulted there. You can see the distance, and you're going to select search. And
All
here
right.
you'll be able to see all the doctors within that radius that you had access, 5 mile radius, right? You can filter this out to the rating. So if you want like a top 5-star doctor, you can be able to filter that out as well. And you'll be able to see that Dr. Frank is top of his class in that area. You select him, you could be able to see his phone number, you could be able to get provider details for that particular doctor as well as the address. All that is there for you.
Awesome. Very exciting. This definitely gives me some reassurance that I'm picking a good doctor in my area. Thank you. All right. Erica, that is all the questions that I have today. So I really appreciate your time in showing me how to use the Difference Card mobile app.
It was my pleasure.
Thank you.